Welcome to the tutorial on how to complete the FERPA Information Release form in MyCSULB Student Center. The Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act of 1974, more commonly known as FERPA, affords students certain rights with respect to their education records. It was established to protect students' privacy. The primary rights of students under FERPA include the right to inspect and review educational records, the right to seek to amend educational records, and the right to have some control over the disclosure of information from educational records. The FERPA Information Release form is located in your MyCSULB Student Center. Here, you can provide explicit consent to allow Cal State Long Beach staff to disclose confidential information from your educational records to designated individuals. This could be anyone you choose, whether it's your parents, your spouse, or other third parties. All right, let's get started. First, log into your single sign-on and access MyCSULB Student Center. From your Student Center homepage, go to the menu under the Personal Information section. Select FERPA Information Release to continue. Under the Authorized Third Parties section, enter the last name, first name, and relationship of each individual you want to allow information access. Next, use the checkboxes to determine the type of information you want those individuals to have access to. This could be your class schedule and grades, financial aid award information, or student financial services details, such as tuition and fees. If you want individuals to have different information access settings, submit the form separately for each individual. You then need to set a personal security question and answer. Select a question from the drop-down menu and provide a unique answer. This question and answer will be used by Cal State Long Beach staff to confirm an individual's access to your information. Make sure you share the question and password with the individuals you have listed. When ready to submit, click on the Authorize Third Party button and you're done. If at a later time you want to revoke third-party access to your information, return to this form and complete the fields. Then select the Cancel All Authorizations button. For more information about FERPA, student privacy, and access to records, visit the FERPA-for-students page on the Cal State Long Beach website. Thanks for watching, and go Beach!